Hello friends, my name is Harsh and I am your French language instructor. In today's video, we are going to learn about French weather and seasons. So let's start with our video. La météo. La météo, which means the weather. Il fait chaud. Il fait chaud, which means it is hot. Il fait froid. Il fait froid, which means it is cold. Il y a du soleil. Il y a du soleil, that means it is sunny. Il y a des nuages. Il y a des nuages, that means it is cloudy. Il fait humide. Il fait humide, that means it is humid. Il pleut. Il pleut, which means it is raining. Il neige. Il neige, that means it is snowing. Il y a du vent. Il y a du vent, that means it is windy. Now, les saisons. Les saisons, that means seasons. L'hiver. L'hiver, that means winter. L'été. L'été, that means summer. Le printemps. Le printemps, that means spring. And the last one is l'automne. L'automne, that means autumn. That's all for today guys. Hope you guys like the video. Do subscribe our channel, and to get latest updates of our video, please press the bell icon. Thank you.